Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how you can open up a master gun lock combination style when you've forgotten your combination. Now I've done this on a few different locks, not just one. I've been able to repeat my success. I've changed the combinations and mixed all the dials up again, and again, I've been successful in opening these things. When I've got this set up, it's oriented so I can read the numbers correctly. The camera's coming from the opposite direction, so everything's upside down. But you are going to turn this counterclockwise and apply mild pressure on it, okay? I like to start from right to left. I start spinning the dials until I hear or feel a click, or I feel some movement in here. And I'll just keep doing that slowly, taking care not to spin two dials at the same time. Sometimes I need to switch fingers. I just heard a click there. Now, it's probably not going to be the right number, but as I get these dials closer to the true combination, these clicks will become more pronounced and you'll actually feel it in the lock mechanism. So I'm going to the middle dial now, and I'm taking care not to turn two dials at once. I just heard a big click there. Going to the left, far left dial. Now sometimes you might find the dial hard to turn. Just back off the pressure a little bit and then reapply it, and the dial will turn. And I just felt a big click there. It doesn't open. I'm going to start back to the far right. Remember, taking care not to turn two dials at once so you don't lose your spot. I just heard another click. Going to the middle. Again, applying counterclockwise rotation. Just heard another click. Oh, not too far. I actually felt something there. Starting over again. Felt a big click there. Back to the middle. Felt another click. Far left again. Now I'm not even looking at this combination. Big click. Starting at the right side. Another click. Big click there. Starting to the right again. Big click. Another big click. There we go. That was probably repeated 5 times before I got the correct combination. Be patient, it will work.